Welcome to Kingdom of Wow, where well-being and sustainability come first. The people-centered design inspires productivity while prioritizing wellness. Natural materials bring warmth and authenticity into every corner. By eliminating walls and doors, we bring everyone together in one open space, reinforcing the idea of one team. Natural airflow and shaded areas ensure comfort, even in the tropical climate. Lush garden surrounds us, offering a constant connection to nature. The seating is designed to fit the needs of our team. Our on-site daycare enables new mums to continue working while nursing their babies. At Kingdom of Wow, we've created more than just a workspace. It's a community where design, nature, and well-being come together.